Welcome to CBSE Class 8 Science, Crop Production and Management, presented by Anand Mohandas. Every organism requires food. The energy obtained from food is helpful to carry out various body functions of the organisms, such as digestion, respiration and excretion. We get our food from plants as well as animals. To supply food for a large population in a country, we rely on agriculture. Agriculture includes all the activities involved in cultivating plants, raising animals, and producing other food, fiber, and biofuel products. Crop. When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. So a crop field, for instance, rice fields cultivate only rice. In India, summer or pre-monsoon season, lasting from March to May, that is the season for mango, watermelon, muskmelon, lychee, papaya, grapes, sweet lime, pomegranate, banana, jamun. In India, winter, occurring from October to March, that is the season for apple, orange, strawberry, guava, chiku, pineapple, banana. Crop types and seasons. In India, three types of crops on the basis of seasons: Kharif, Rabi, Zaid. Kharif crops. The crops which are grown during the monsoon, rainy, season, June to September, are called Kharif crops. For example, maize, millet, bajra, and cotton crops. Seeds of these crops are sown in the beginning of the monsoon season. Rabi crops. Crops which are grown during the winter season, October to March, are called Rabi crops. For example, wheat, gram and mustard. Seeds of these crops are sown in the beginning of the winter season. Zaid crops. Zaid crops are summer season crops. They grow for a short time period between Kharif and Rabi crops, mainly from March to June. Cucumber, watermelon are examples. Crop production. Let us see how we can grow a crop, for example wheat crop. There is an agricultural practice to do that. We can look into that. Agricultural practices. 1. Land. 2. Preparation of soil. 3. Sowing. 4. Adding manure and fertilizers. 5. Irrigation. 6. Protecting from weeds. 7. Harvesting. 8. Storage. Land plays a crucial role in agriculture as it provides the foundation for growing crops. 2. Soil's preparation and sowing. This is done using a plow, or a tractor with plow attached. The aim is to clear the field of any weeds, plow the soil to loosen it, level the field to ensure uniform water distribution and ease of sowing. The benefits of turning and loosening the soil. This allows the roots to penetrate deeper into the soil. The loosened soil also helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. Microbes are good for soil since it adds humus to it. (3) Sowing the seeds. Seed selection and treatment. Select high-quality wheat seeds free from any disease or pests. Sowing can be done manually by hand or using tools like seed drills or planters. 4. Adding manure and fertilizers. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and/or animal wastes. Farmers keep the plant and animal waste in the pit called compost pit that allows the materials to decompose. The decomposed organic material is used as manure. Manure formed by earthworms is known as vermicompost. Fertilizers are synthetic or natural substances that are added to the soil or plants to supply essential nutrients required for plant growth. Fertilizers are produced in factories. Example: urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, etc. 5. Irrigation. The supply of water to crops at regular intervals is called irrigation. Sources are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. Two prominent methods of modern irrigation are sprinkler and drip irrigation. Six. Weeding. Weeding is the process of removing unwanted plants, commonly known as weeds, from cultivated fields or garden beds. There are two major ways to control weeds, such as physical methods and usage of chemicals. 7. Harvesting. Harvesting is the cutting and segregating of seeds after the maturity period. This period is the period of joy for all the farmers, as this period gives them the fruit of their hard work. Farmers harvest crops using a variety of tools. The process of separation of seeds from the straw is called thrashing. The process of separating the hay from the seed is known as winnowing. 8. Storing. Storing harvested grains is an essential part of agriculture to preserve the quality and nutritional value of the crops for future use. Some key points to consider for storing harvested grains. Cleaning. Before storing the grains, it is crucial to clean them to remove any debris, chaff, or foreign materials. Drying. Moisture content in stored grains should be reduced to prevent spoilage and the growth of molds, fungi, or insects. Pest control. Protecting grains from pests is vital to prevent losses. Storage containers. Grains can be stored in various containers, such as grain bins, silos, or bags.